talked a little bit about achieve all now, and let's talk a bit about expert. How do you become the expert? Who is the expert? He's the guy or she's the girl who's making all the money. She's the one or he's the one who they go to when things don't really work out. The expert is the most important person in your industry, in your company. Wherever you are, make yourself the expert. Make yourself impossible to replace because you have researched everything about your business. You know, most people, they study, they finish their studies in college or university or wherever they go, and they stop learning afterwards. But they've only just begun. You need to keep going back. You know, I studied at night school. I studied at 4 a.m. I studied after everyone else went to bed. I studied every day. I did my degree at night. I did my degree before breakfast. I did my second degree, my diploma, at night when everyone else was asleep. And I still went back to school and I learned everything I could after everyone else was asleep. And you can do that too. I raised myself from the bottom to the top by simply studying everything about that business, about my industry, so that I knew what was happening and there were no surprises. I pretty much set my own path, and you can too. You should have a personal research and development program in place. You should dedicate 1 hour every day. 1 hour, just set a time whenever it's good for you. Maybe it's that no extra time when you were just watching the escape box or just staring out the window or playing video games or something. Dedicate 1 hour every day to your personal research and development. That's development on your own ability, on your beliefs, and helping you to achieve your next level success. If you spend 1 hour a day, you will change your life. That's more than most PhD students do, by the way. If you spend 5 years just doing 1 hour a day, you will be the top in your industry, and in 7 years, the top in the world, according to the expert. So, that's a pretty good investment. So, my message for you today is, if you really want to earn, I'm talking about you really want to earn big money, you have to learn to learn. You need to invest in yourself. You need to do the R&D on me. Become an expert. Apply yourself. Only need 1 hour a day, but do it every day. Learn everything there is about your company. Learn everything there is to know about your industry and about your economy. And very soon, you will be the top guy or top girl in your company. I can't wait to see you at the top. Thanks for listening. Bye for now. I'm Kevin.